Hi. In today's session, we'll be seeing how to install Oracle 11G software on Linux platform. In previous session, we saw how to download the Oracle software from Oracle website, and also we saw how to copy the software from the Windows machine to our Linux box. Now, for the beginning of this class, we have our Oracle 11G software on our server. So we'll first connect to the server and we'll see how to unzip the software, because the software which we downloaded from Oracle website is in compressed format. So we have to uncompress that and then we'll proceed with the installation. Okay. So first we'll be connected to our Linux machine. We can give the IP address, that is 10.17.57.41. Okay, we'll log in as root user and we'll log in, give the password. Okay, before unzipping of the Oracle software, the first thing what we have to do is that we have to create a user who will be the software owner for this software.
Not understand.
Yeah, when we are installing Oracle software on a Linux machine, we should install as a particular user. Okay. We should not do the installation as root user.
Okay.
And for that, we have to create a specific user, and also this user should be a part of two specific groups.
Okay.
A group is a collection of users. So the first thing what we are going to do is that we are going to create a group which will be the software owner group, and then we'll be creating a user under that group. Okay. So for our example or our installation example, the software owner group is DBA, and the Oracle software, the software owner is user Oracle.
Okay. And what is the problem if we are installing under the root?
Oracle software is designed in such a way that it won't allow it won't permit the installation as super user, because when we are installing Oracle software, we have to there are several users will be accessing that Oracle software, not only the user as which we installed Oracle. So at that time we have to create, or we have to add multiple users as a part of the group. Since root is a specialized super user, we cannot add multiple, or we should not add multiple users to that group due to the security constraints.
Okay.
So that is the reason we are creating a separate group and a separate user to install the Oracle software.
So it's mandatory to create a group and the user under that group.
That's correct.
Okay.
And a common convention is that DBA will be the group of the Oracle software, and Oracle is the owner. I mean, the user Oracle is the owner of the software. Fine. So the first thing what we are going to do is that we will be creating the group called DBA, and then we will create a user Oracle under the group DBA.
Okay.
Okay. So the first command to create a group is group add -g 800 DBA. So group add is a command. -g is the unique number for the group. So if you are not specifying, what will happen is that the operating system, the Linux operating system, will assign a unique number.
Okay.
Okay. Since we would like to have more control on the user creation and the group creation, we'll create or we'll assign the group number by ourselves.
Okay.
Okay. So
800 is the unique number?
Yes.
How we'll understand that that unique number has not been used previously?
Yeah, that's a good question. To assign, we can system. For that, we can give cat/etc/groups.
Okay.
Groups is a file which will contain the list of groups in the operating system.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, it is group. Yeah. So from here, we can find out that the different groups. For example, if you're looking at the oinstall, the 501 is a group number. Vibin, for another user, he is having the group number 502.
So
So
we have to go through the file from the beginning till end,
uh,
and we have to find out if the file is huge.
yeah, there is a easy way there. Say for example, in our example, we want to assign the group number 800. Correct?
Okay,
So
yes.
for that, we can easily check in this file whether a group number 800 is available or not.
Okay,
That is by give cat slash etc slash group pipe
okay,
grep hyphen I 800. So what
okay,
we are doing is that we are printing the contents of the etc group file and then searching for a particular word with 800.
okay,
If you are getting a results here, then that means the group is there, and if you are not getting a result here, then it means that the group does not exist.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll go ahead and create the group. That is group add hyphen G 800 dba.
Okay,
Okay, press the enter key, the group will be created. Now with the same example, we can verify whether the group is created or not. That is slash cat etc slash group. We can see the last, the group called the db is created and with the group number 800. Next one is that we have to create the user under this particular group. Is that fine?
yes.
Okay, so we will be using the command user add to create a user under a specific group. So we'll give the user add hyphen u, again a unique number for the user, hyphen g, the group to which the user should belong, and hyphen d, the home directory of that user, and finally the username. So in this example, we are using the user add command, and as we discussed in the group, the user also should be having a unique number, and that is specified by hyphen u.
Okay,
Okay, we need not give the, if you're there may be a little bit of confusion here because we have given the group number as 800 and here we are giving the username also as 800. It is not mandatory. For a simplicity purpose we have given. We can give any unique number for the user.
okay,
Okay, and hyphen small g stands for the user's primary group, and we want for the Oracle installation we want the Oracle user to be the part of the DBA group. So that's the reason we have given hyphen small g, then the DBA group name.
okay. Primary group in the sense like this Oracle user, what we are going to create now.
Yeah.
The user can be a part of any other groups also,
Yes.
but hyphen G tells that he's a belonging to, I mean, primarily belonging to the DBA group.
Yes. Suppose if you want to add one more, this user should be a part of another group. Say for example, we have seen that we have a group called oinstall.
Yes.
Right, so I'm going to create the user in such a way that he will be the primary, the user's primary group will be the DBA, and at the same time he will be belonging to some other group called oinstall, or we can say that his secondary group will be oinstall. So a user can at a time he can belong to multiple secondary groups, but he will be only a part of a single primary group.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just giving oinstall and then hyphen d, the home directory of that user, that is home slash Oracle, and then Oracle. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah. A user is being created. So we can verify whether the user is being created by again printing the contents of another file known as password file. Its location is cat slash etc slash passwd.
Okay.
Here you can see that a user Oracle is being created with a unique number 800. He is a part of the a group, the DBA, and we know that the DBA group ID was 800, and the home directory is slash home slash Oracle, and he is belonging to the bash profile. In the case of Linux, a user will be created under different shells, and this user is under bash profile.
Okay.
Okay. Also, another way to find out this command is that before that we will just clear the screen. We can just give ID space Oracle. When you are giving here, we are getting a lot of information. It's a single command with which we can find out the username, the group he is belonging, and the user's primary group and the secondary groups.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next step is that we have to give a password for the Oracle user, which we can give by PSSWD space the username.
Okay.
But that is password space Oracle. Here, pay attention. Here it's not PSSWD. It is just PSSWD.
Okay.
So it is asking you the new, it's changing the password for Oracle user and it's asking the new password for Oracle user. I'm just giving the password as Oracle itself. So Oracle is, Unix is complaining that it's a bad password because it's a username and the password is the same thing. But since we want to keep simple, a little bit simple, we'll continue with the same password.
Okay.
Fine. So the user is being created. Now, since the user is created, let's log in to us that user and see whether everything is working fine here.
Okay.
We'll give the username as Oracle and the password is Oracle. Okay. This time we didn't had any error. We could log into the Oracle user. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the software which we download from the Oracle website is copied to a directory called /Oracle in this file system. So let's go to that directory, that is /Oracle. We'll give an ls-ltr to see the contents of this file, and here you can see that we have Linux x86 11G release 2 database 1 out of 2, and we have Linux x64 11G release 2 database 2 out of 2. That means there are 2 files which contains Oracle software.
Okay.
Do you remember that the previous session we saw that while going to the OTN website there was 2 files to be downloaded?
Yes.
Okay. Now since the software is available with us, we can use the zip command, that is the unzip command, to create the files or to unzip the Oracle software. So the next step is that we have to unzip the software which we download from the Oracle site. We can issue the command unzip, then give the complete path. That is database. Yeah. We can issue the command unzip, then the file name.
Okay.
We can see that while unzipping, it is creating a directory called database and unzipping the contents to that database directory.
Oh.
Okay, so we should be clear that we have to unzip both the files here, not only the single file.
Okay.
Okay, so we unzipped one file and we'll unzip the second file as well. Okay, the unzipping is completed. Now let's first clear the screen by issuing the clear command and then give ls-ltr. So here we can see that a folder called database is being created here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's move to the directory and see whether we have all the software components are available. Give ls-ltr again. So we can see that there are a lot of directories are being created, and also we have a script, that is run installer, which will help us to do the Oracle software installation.
Okay.
Okay, the next step is that we will be starting the installation. Fine.
Okay.